Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fantom chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also seen a breakdown to the lower side in a move that has managed to give us a low within this yellow target area, in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And we have also managed to get into our minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, and soon I'm expecting a reversal to the upper side in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Fantom chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low at around the $0.16 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside of being the Elliot structures, where I have this Elliot structure in red, having that is the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, then a wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $0.657 mark. And after seeing the formation of this 5-wave structure to the upper side right here in red, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside of this Elliot structure right here in yellow. And what I was expecting after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That gave me a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.4138 mark and the $0.355 mark, and it is within this yellow target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave to the lower side. And you can see that at the time of this recording we have seen a breakdown into that yellow target area. We have managed to get into that yellow target area, giving us a low at around the $0.3829 mark, and there are chances that that might be the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. And in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2, I was also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure, and you can see that here on the charts I have this ABC corrective structure, where I'm expecting the wave C to give us the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2 and also fully maximize our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 to the lower side. So now that we have managed to get into our yellow target area down here in the formation of this wave 2, that means that there are chances that we might have seen the low for this second wave. And in case Fantom is able to see a reversal to the upper side, continue gearing up, see a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and the moment we manage to break above the 20-day MA, have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up, then there are chances that Fantom might get to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.5 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that and also see a successful retest of that key area of resistance and also manage to break above these other highs, then that will be enough confirmation that we have started a reversal to the upper side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. And assuming that Fantom is not going to give us one more leg down to the lower side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2, we can sketch a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.1768 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side to do, assuming that Fantom is not going to give us one more leg down to the lower side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. But as long as we are holding below the 20-day MA over here, there are chances of seeing a breakdown to the lower side in a move that could possibly fully maximize this yellow target area. And in case we lose the lower side of the target area, which is the fib level 0.618, then I'll be watching the next key area here on the Fibonacci's, and using the Fibonacci's once more, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. The next key area on the Fibonacci's that we can watch in case the breakdown continues is the fib level 0.78, which perfectly lies at around the $0.2692 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect expect this higher Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side to do in case the breakdown continues and we also lose the fib level 0.618. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short term scenarios, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported before I can give you the long term scenarios. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 35 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal starts. But in case the breakdown continues, that movement here on the RSI will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and we are seeing a bit of an increase in the selling momentum, suggesting that the breakdown might continue here on the Fantom chart. And jumping to the daily chart for further analysis and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot wave structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that Fantom, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $3.5 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.16 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of an explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $5.7395 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.